3000 words. Lesson 5, vocabulary. Free. Feel free to contact me. Strategy. Strategic. You should change the strategy. Straight. Go straight ahead. Permission. Permit. You will need a work permit. Pants, or in British English, trousers. I took 2 pairs of pants with me. Bend, bend, bend. Bend your knees. End. Is this the end? Public. I don't like speaking in public. Winter. Winter is my favorite season. Read, read, read. Reader. What are you reading? Damage. Who will pay the damage? Hope. I hope so. I hope not. Product. Production. We can offer a wide range of products. Lie. Don't lie to me. She lied to me. Lie, lay, lane. Lie down carefully. Wife. She's my wife. Proud, proud of. I'm so proud of you. Know, knew, known. Unknown. He didn't know what happened. Bread. Buy some bread, please. Fair, fairly. That's not fair. Simple, simply. It's just a simple question. Where? Where have you been? Preference. Please rank it in order of your preference. Trust. I don't trust him. Arrange. I must arrange the accommodation. Dark. It's getting dark. Ring, rang, rung. The phone is ringing. Lamp. Turn off the lamp, please. Series. What's your favorite series? Natural. She is a natural blonde.